Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Anna Olson's banana bread. First, you'll want to gather all your ingredients, including 3 very ripe bananas, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your loaf pan. A 9x 5-inch pan works best. Grease and flour it well, or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, mash your 3 ripe bananas. Don't worry if there are a few small lumps, they add great texture. In another bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, in a third bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender crumb. Next, beat 2 large eggs into your creamed butter and sugar mixture, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Then, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with 1/4 cup of buttermilk, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough banana bread. Pour the batter into your prepared 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake for 55 to 65 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious banana bread cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set and makes it easier to remove without breaking. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Slicing it while warm is tempting, but cooling ensures a perfect texture. Enjoy your homemade Anna Olson banana bread. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.